In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Vagaro business account efficiently. Let's start at the very beginning. It's easier than you might think to navigate through the website and accomplish this task, but it's important to go through the process with care to ensure you're making the right decision for your business. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Vagaro website. It's as simple as typing Vagaro into your search bar and clicking on the first result that pops up, which should take you directly to their homepage. Here you're going to see a variety of options and features, but for now we'll focus on what you're here for. Once you're on the home page, you're going to look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your account details, so go ahead and click on that. Now, upon clicking the login button, you're presented with a couple of ways to sign in. For the sake of this guide, let's go through the login with Google option. This is a convenient choice if you've previously set up your Vagaro account with a Google account, streamlining your login process. After selecting to log in with Google, you'll need to choose your specific Google account. If you're logged into more than one account, make sure to select the one that's associated with your Vagaro account. It's a straightforward step, but selecting the correct account is crucial to ensure a smooth process. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your business dashboard by clicking on Go to My Business. This portion of the site is where you manage the nuts and bolts of your Vagaro presence, from appointments to client interactions. Here comes a vital part: accessing your account settings through your profile photo. You'll find the profile photo icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu, but what we're interested in is the link that will take you to your business profile. It's subtly placed, but keep an eye out, it's there. Within your business profile, you'll find the option to cancel subscription. This might be a moment to pause and ensure this is the course of action you want to take, as it will affect your business's online booking and management capabilities. Once you've made your decision, clicking on cancel subscription will lead you to a page that requires you to choose your reason for leaving. It's part of the process that helps Vagaro understand their customers better, so select the option that best fits your situation. Moving forward, you'll come across the step where you must agree to the cancellation policy. It's an important part to read through carefully. Understanding the terms of cancellation ensures there are no surprises. Once you've agreed, you'll find yourself at the final step. And finally, the last step is to click on Cancel Vagaro Account. This button is the final nail, so to speak, and clicking it initiates the process of permanently deleting your Vagaro business account. It's worth noting that at any step in this process, it's important to carefully consider the impacts on your business. Deleting your Vagaro account is a significant step, especially if you rely heavily on their booking and management tools. Remember, once you delete your account, reversing this action might not be straightforward. Take a moment to ensure that all necessary data, client information and records are backed up or exported according to your needs. It's a small but crucial step in maintaining the continuity of your business information. In closing, while the process of deleting your Vagaro business account is designed to be straightforward, the decision to do so carries weight. Take your time to assess the reasons behind this move and ensure you have alternative arrangements in place if necessary. Whether it's transitioning to a new platform or shifting your business strategy, it's important to plan ahead. I hope this guide has provided you with clear, step-by-step instructions on how to delete your Vagaro business account. It's a process that, while simple, requires careful consideration and planning. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best in your future business endeavors.